What really happens if you never change your engine oil? Many drivers push their cars to the limit, skipping oil changes until it's too late. But the results? Disastrous. From engine sludge to complete failure, let's break down what actually happens inside your engine when you neglect this crucial maintenance step. At around 5,000 miles, your engine oil starts getting dirty and less effective. It's filled with contaminants, carbon deposits, and tiny metal particles, which increase friction and wear. This is why regular oil changes keep your engine running smoothly. At 10,000 miles, things get worse. Dirty oil starts turning into thick sludge, clogging your oil passages, and starving the engine of proper lubrication. Your engine is now working harder than ever, which increases fuel consumption and wear. By 15,000 miles, your engine is overheating. Without fresh oil to cool and lubricate, metal parts start grinding together, causing severe engine damage. If you've ever seen thick, dark smoke from a car, it's probably burning oil and overheating. At 20,000 miles, your engine is on the verge of total failure. The internal parts seize up, and your car might completely shut down, leaving you stranded with a repair bill that could cost thousands of dollars. Skipping oil changes might seem harmless, but as you can see, it's a one-way ticket to disaster. Save your engine and your wallet by changing your oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car maintenance tips.